quality on these white cement 3s, it's a little leaning, bruh. Today is a very special day, family. We're back in the stew with another banger, and I got a package in my hand. If y'all saw my vlog from a week ago, I bought a pair of white cement 3s reimagined. They touched down, so we had to make this video for y'all. If you do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else y'all would like to see on the channel. Comment some video ideas in the comments, because your boys sometimes be running out of ideas, you feel me? And that's normal, but we here today with a banger. We're gonna see how the quality is on these. I'm gonna see if they gave me some beauty or they gave me some bullshit. Make sure y'all let me know if you did get a pair, how they turned out in the comments below. But I don't want to waste too much time. Leave a like, subscribe, and let's get straight to it. So as I said, I picked up a pair online. I decided to get them on eBay because I could kind of see the vibes on them before getting them in hand. And from the pictures, I kind of got a glimpse of what they were looking like, but you just never know. They could have put something on pictures and gave me some completely different shit. This isn't an ad for eBay. One day they'll sponsor me, but this is not the moment yet. We got that box. Let's take this out real quick. Authenticity guaranteed, which in this case isn't even my biggest concern. We got that vintage style box on these, which honestly is pretty sick. The fact that they gave it the full treatment. Jordan 3 white cement reimagined, size 10. I'm kind of stressed at this moment. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Leave a like so that these turn out good, bro, because I'm about to be stressed. I don't even want to see it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, is the box. We got some cement paper. Traditional shit, y'all already know how this goes. Open that paper up. We get the booklet. This is the booklet that used to come with the OG pairs back in the day. They recently started introducing this back to the Jordan 3s. Pretty cool touch. I hope that one day we get the retro cards back. For now, we get the Jordan 3 booklet. I don't know why I'm so stressed right now, bro. I'm gonna pull this first pair out and we're gonna inspect it. So it's looking decent. It's looking decent so far. Okay, Nike Air on the back. It's a little leaning. It's a little leaning, bruh. It's a little bit leaning, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's not terrible. I can manage with this. It's okay. It's a little bit leaning. Y'all can see it. I can see it. We can see it. It's okay. Then on the other side, elephant print isn't looking terrible. It's a little bit thinner on this side, but at least it's not too off. I honestly don't like the fact that this came with the plastic right there. I wish it was a higher quality like the old 3s, but I'm not trying to complain too much. Let me know in the chat what y'all would rate the left side so far. Deducting points for the back a little bit, but it's not too bad. The elephant print is on point. Cut isn't too bad in the front. And the other side is pretty decent. It's not looking terrible. Let's pull out the other side though. This is what we got for the right shoe. Nike Air on the back. I think this one's a little bit straighter than the other pair. Elephant print isn't looking too bad on this one. Honestly, it's more cohesive than on the other one. It's looking almost identical on this pair. Back tab isn't leaning on this one. Pretty decent. I'm actually liking this side more than the other. Elephant print isn't too bad. Honestly, I can't complain. Let me know if I'm tripping about the back or is it good. This is the left one again, and this is the right one. The quality on these white cement 3s is okay actually on this pair. Luckily, bro. I was actually kind of stressed, but having these in hand, I could breathe, bro. Like, I'm so glad I bought these on eBay because I kind of at least had an idea. It's not like I'm shooting blanks in the dark with the pairs that I'm buying on StockX or GOAT. If you're gonna buy these, bro, please buy them on eBay. Just make sure you ask for some pictures. Low-key, I wish I would have asked for more pictures of the back, but looking at it now, I don't think it's that bad, bro. I feel like I could pull these off. As long as the front is decent, you good, bro. Like the front and then the elephant print on both sides being good, that's all that matters. I would honestly say if this is a sneaker you want to add to your collection, I would personally buy it sooner than later because it's one of those iconic sneakers that's gonna be at least top 3 in people's sneaker of the year. For me, I would say so far it is sneaker of the year. I feel like since a lot of pairs came with quality control issues, the general consensus for making this sneaker of the year is gonna go down because people are gonna deduct points for the quality. But in general, the fact that they brought these back, the vibes they brought them back with are just A1. And if you're smart about buying buying your pairs and where you buy them, you should be straight. Just make sure you buy them from a credible source, a place that you can see pictures of the sneaker, not like a StockX. That doesn't really work for a sneaker like this, especially with all the issues that came on this sneaker. So just be smart about buying them and you should be straight. I would recommend eBay, to be honest. This isn't sponsored, but I just feel like it's a smart choice because you get to see what you're buying. Here's a quick on feet. I'm gonna do a how to style video for these, so I didn't really want to throw them on feet too much, but what's a review video without an on feet portion? These are gonna get their own dedicated how to style video. I feel like they deserve it. It's a banger sneaker and I just gotta put these together with some fits, so stay tuned for that. Overall, these look amazing on feet. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Just as good as I remember. So we got the white cement reimagined and we got the black cement reimagined custom because I beat these shit so much. White cements that recently released versus the black cements that released in 2018. Both have Nike Air on the back, obviously. What we're here to compare is the elephant print on both. So I want to go ahead and show you guys an up close. Right here we got the elephant on the black cements, which is kind of cohesive. I know it might be a little bit dirty. These are my beaters, so it's okay. We got the elephant print, which is kind of thick on the front and the back, if you guys can see, and it's cohesive all throughout on that one. And then you go down to the white cement pair that recently released. You can see that the front almost has like a similar pattern to this right here. It's thicker, it's more defined. Then on the back you can see the clear difference. This is thinner for sure than the front. It's not too noticeable on the pair that I got, luckily, but it's definitely there. This is more cohesive. This is almost like playing roulette, bro. Like, you don't know what you're gonna get, but the fact that we got them in hand is already a dub in my opinion. If you guys ended up picking up the white cement or have been debating it, let me know in the comments. And if you did get them, let me know how the quality on your pair was. As far as sizing goes for these, I would honestly recommend half size down because the sock liner on them is actually thinner. This part is actually thinner as well. So you definitely want to half size down if you want a more snug fit. Now, if you do like your sneakers a little bit flowy and loose and shit, you could go your true to size. For me, I went 10 on these and I normally go 10 on all three because they're a little bit more roomy right here. I like my sneakers a little bit more snug to my foot because I loose lace them, so I just like slipping in and them not slipping out, pause, while I'm wearing them. The leather on both of mine came tumbled. I heard that on some people's one was tumbled, one was a smoother leather. The leather on both of them is actually the same, so that's a W. I'm excited to add these to the collection. I believe this is my first sneaker pickup of the year. I might be wrong. And we got another banger on the way. One of my grails is actually on the way right now. I'm excited to do a review on those, a video on those. I know it might be a little late, but I don't really care. At the end of the day, it's one of my favorite shoes and I'm glad to be able to add it to the collection. Just like these white cement 3s, these bring back memories for me. I had these in high school, if y'all don't know, and I tore them shits up, so I'm glad to be getting them again. Also, expect a video of me comparing these to the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I'm gonna make a comparison, almost like ranking these and seeing which goes higher on my list of reimagined from what we have so far and what we heard is coming so far. But if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else y'all would like to see coming soon. Jordan 3 reimagined white cements were added to the collection. Luckily for me, they didn't come too up, so I'm excited. Make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, let me know what else y'all would like to see, and join me on my journey to become an entrepreneur, brand owner. If y'all are trying to do it, just know that you can do it too, bro. Just set your mind, don't stop once you start, because that's the biggest letdown right there. Just keep on going. That's the quote of the day, bro. Once you start, keep on going, never stop. That pretty much does it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, y'all already know what to do. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Spend some time with your loved ones. Hey man, just don't forget about those that love you and show you love on a day-to-day basis, because you don't know how much longer you have with them in your life. So all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.